Welcome to Summarize Science. Teaching a robot a new skill, like opening a drawer or stacking a block, is incredibly difficult. You can't just write a simple program. For the robot to learn and adapt, it's best to reward it for making the right moves. But what exactly is the right move at any given millisecond? Giving a reward only at the very end when the task is done is extremely slow. The robot usually has no idea if it's on the right track. To learn efficiently, it needs constant, step-by-step feedback, what researchers call a dense reward. Traditionally, creating these dense reward systems is a massive headache, requiring tons of manual programming and expert knowledge. But a new method called TimeRewarder, presented in this paper, offers a brilliant solution. The core idea is to let the robot learn what to do simply by watching videos of the task being performed correctly. Crucially, it doesn't need any data about the robot's actions or motor commands. It just needs the passive video frames in the correct order. TimeRewarder works by learning to predict the temporal distance between any two frames in a demonstration video. In simple terms, it learns how much time, or progress, has passed between one image and another in a successful attempt. This time difference becomes a direct and powerful measure of task progress. When the learning robot tries the task, TimeRewarder watches it frame by frame. It constantly compares the current frame to the previous one and predicts this temporal distance. If the distance is positive, it means the robot is moving forward in the task, so it gets a reward. If the robot stalls or moves backward, the distance will be 0 or negative, and it gets penalized. This creates that perfect, step-by-step guidance automatically, without a human needing to program the reward at all. And the results from their experiments are stunning. On a set of 10 challenging virtual robotic tasks, the policy trained with TimeRewarder's rewards achieved nearly perfect success rates in 9 of them. Amazingly, it learned faster and performed even better than policies that were given the meticulously handcrafted, perfect reward functions built into the environment. But here's arguably the most exciting part of the research. The researchers demonstrated that TimeRewarder can learn from videos of a human performing a task and successfully use that knowledge to guide a robot. This is called cross-domain learning, and it's a huge deal because there are endless videos of humans doing things all over the internet. So, let's recap the important points. TimeRewarder is a new method that learns a dense, effective reward signal for robots just by watching passive videos. It achieves this by modeling temporal progress, essentially learning the correct order of events to understand how to complete a task. This removes the need for complex, manual reward engineering and makes the process of teaching robots far more scalable. The implications for the future are massive. This research represents a significant step towards a future where robots could learn to cook, assemble furniture, or perform complex chores simply by watching a YouTube tutorial. It pushes us closer to a world where robots can acquire new skills on their own by watching us. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.